Good morning, student. Today we are going to teach combination of cell. Three types: series combination, parallel combination of cell, third mixed combination of cell. First point is series combination of cell. This diagram. Definition: in this combination of cell, negative terminal of first cell. In this combination of cell, negative terminal of first cell is connected to the positive terminal of second cell, and negative terminal of second cell is connected to the positive terminal of third cell, and so on. Definition: in this combination, the negative terminal of one cell is connected to the positive terminal of second cell, and negative terminal is connected to positive terminal of the third cell, and so on. Let I is the electric current flowing through the circuit, capital R is external resistance, capital E is EMF of the cell, small r is the internal resistance. Key: let small n cell each of EMF capital E and internal resistance small r be connected in series through an external resistance capital R, then total EMF of this combination equal to NE, and total resistance, internal resistance R dash equal to R plus R dash dash N times equal to NR. The series combination of N cell is equivalent to a single cell having EMF NE and internal resistance NR. Then total resistance external plus internal R plus NR. By using Ohm's law, electric current equal to total EMF of the circuit upon total resistance I equal to NE upon R plus NR. Equation number 1. Condition: case first, if the equivalent resistance of cell is more than external resistance, that is NR is greater than capital R, then from equation I equal to NE upon NR, NN cancel, E upon R, I equal to E upon R. Case second, if the equivalent internal resistance of cell is less than the external resistance and R is less than capital R, then from equation first I equal to NE upon R. Parallel combination of cell. In this combination of cell, positive terminal of positive plate of each cell are connected to one point A, and negative plate of each cell is connected to another point B, and so on. Positive plate of each cell is connected to one point A, and negative plate of each cell is connected to another point B. I is electric current flowing through the circuit, capital R is external resistance, K is key. Let N cell be connected in parallel and EMF of each cell be capital E and internal resistance small r. The equivalent internal resistance be R dash 1 upon R dash equal to 1 upon R plus 1 upon R plus 1 upon R plus dash 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 N times 1 upon R dash equal to N upon R, that is R dash equal to R by N. Total resistance external plus internal R dash equal to R by N, R plus R by N. By using Ohm's law, electric current equal to total EMF upon total resistance of circuit. I equal to total EMF capital E, total resistance R plus R by N. I equal to NE upon NR plus R. Condition first, if the external resistance is more than the internal resistance, capital R is greater than small r, so I equal to NE upon NR, NN cancel, I equal to E upon R. Second point, if the internal resistance is greater than the external resistance. Small r is greater than capital R. Yeah, capital R is less than small r. I equal to NE upon small r. Thank you.